Hello everyone. Today I am joined by Mr. Vishal Kumar Singh. He's one of the winner of Monomosumi's international essay writing competition. And to tell more about him, I'd like to mention that he is a BTech civil engineering pass out and currently preparing for defense exam. So, since I have read your bio, I'll ask you something. Why defense exam after civil engineering?
It was a passion for me to join armed forces, and by doing engineering, I will be getting lots of opportunities to join, and that too directly. So I choose
Okay,
engineering.
it's nice. So following your passion plus opening more fields for you in defense, that's a great thinking. And I really appreciate that you are passionate enough to join defense. So congratulations on that. And I hope all the best that you do join. Okay, so how did you
Thank you.
find monomasmy?
Uh, it all started with a single thought that to do something exceptional in my life. So I started researching about it during the spare time and in the lockdown period. I Google it, and from there I got to know about the Monomoshme International Writing Competition. And I read about it and was really impressed by the activities that they are doing.
Okay, so let me ask you something. Since you are a civil engineering pass out, how did writing enter your career field or your mind?
It was I was in a class 10th, and there I was given an opportunity to write an essay on the topic the whether the computer are useful for us or whether they are harmful for us. So as it's a very common fact that they are useful for us, but I chosen it to be harmful for us. And at that time, many candidates have participated, but my teacher, mathematics teacher, really appreciated my effort, and he agreed with that. That computer is useful for us, but according to your writing and way of expression, I must say that you are the winner. So that inspires me that I should continue writing along with it.
Okay, that's something good because all of us always think about the positive side, ignoring the negative sides most of the time, but there are still there. So if you highlight it with your writing and people agree to it, then definitely you have done something really good. So
Yes,
that's why it's a very nice incident to get inspired. So have your family members supported you while you're writing a passion you have taken up? Have your family members supported you?
yes, they have supported. Actually, they are so saying कि start your career in this only. When they saw the appreciation effort as given by the Monomoshmi as a second prize, and when the essays are published in the online platform, so they really appreciated it. And even one of my relatives is still saying that start your career as a writer.
Okay, so you can do that. Once you join the defense field, you can start writing also.
Yeah, definitely I will, because for me, writing is all about a communication where I will be sharing my ideas, and people got to know what I think on the particular topic. So I will try.
Right. So, what was the topic that month in which you won that essay?
It was a, person that inspires you, Mithra. That was the topic.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, on whom did you write about?
I wrote on Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel.
So, okay. So, how does he inspire you?
No, actually, the reason for choosing this topic was at that time, uh, his days was approaching. I think it was 31st October was coming.
Okay,
So
right.
I thought to write on a recent topic.
Oh,
And also, as we have a proud moment, the longest statue of unity for India. And definitely he did a great job in uniting our different states. So I thought to write on that.
because getting it from a young generation person or perspective that you are inspired by someone who is not with us anymore, but he has done something great. That's very good to hear. And people also appreciate the fact that you chose Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel as your inspirational icon and wrote something on him. So that was really appreciable. So I should ask you, do you read any novels in any language?
No, actually, I don't read novel, but yes, I read self-help books.
Okay, so do you have any recommendations on self-help book? Because very rarely people like go in that direction. Mostly people are into fiction and all those things. So you reading self-help books, that's definitely a new thing for me. So any recommendation for people?
Yeah, actually, I would recommend 5 books for them
Okay.
because I have read all those 5 and I was really inspired from those reading. Number one, that is Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill.
Okay.
The number 2 was How to Win Friend and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. Number 3 was it was a religious book, that is Srimad Bhagavad Gita by As It Is, that is by Swami Samprabhuda. And another book that is written by the Dr. Subhash Chandra, The Z Factor, My Journey as a Wrong Man at the Right Time. So these I would recommend that every youth should read because it really helps to clarify your goal and to achieve it.
Even I have noted these books down and I will read it.
Yeah,
Thank you
sure.
for that suggestion because I never get a recommendation on self-help book. I don't think anyone has given me that recommendation ever. So this
Okay.
will be a change definitely. So I will read it. Since you have written an essay and you are like familiar with the essay writing pattern, for you, what a structured essay looks like?
For me, the structure essay should be like that. It has to be up to the content that is expected from that part. It has to be in a rephrased manner, that what should come first, then the next, and then at the conclusion. Of course, beauty of expression is also needed. You have to use a simple language which can be understood by many, and it has to be something curious. It should not be like that if we just go to the first 2 3 sentences and we are clear that what you are going to say. It shouldn't be like that. It should be like that every sentence should expresses that you should read the next in order to clarify the previous one. And
Right.
last, yeah, so
Yeah,
it should be
please.
like that.
Right, it should open slowly and unfold so that the people also
Yeah,
are like interested enough to read further. Rightly
definitely.
said, rightly said. And essay is a format that everyone should go through because in our education system, essay and especially in English language, essay holds a very important position. Even in our education system, all the boards have a pattern for essay and people write it, but still people are confused what exactly we should write in an essay. So your tips will be helpful there, I guess. Okay, so you have written essays and you have read self-help books. Do you think researching about a topic is necessary while you are writing an article or an essay?
Uh, yeah, definitely researching is necessary. First of all, there are two contrasts. The one is that if you know the topic, if I have a knowledge on a particular topic, then so it's not much necessary. But if the topic is something very new, then researching is must. You have to take help from different books. You can take help from the Google also. And but just researching is not essential. At the same time, you should have that practice to rearrange those things because the contents are, it's millions and millions. So researching plus rephrasing both are needed for a good essay.
I agree because we are lucky enough nowadays that we have Google with us and we can click and
Yeah.
find new material and get our opinions. Because in the days earlier, people used to visit libraries and they used to go through a lot of books and do a lot of research to actually find a particular matter. But we are lucky enough that we can search it on Google. So we should use that facility to research more and analyze more while we are writing something. So tell me, are you a night person or an early riser? When do you find time to write actually?
Actually, for me, it's not nothing like the fixed timing, but whenever an idea strikes with me that I have to write on a particular thing, then I have to make my mind according to that, not with the timing. Like for if the recent happenings, like if there is a Diwali celebration going on and I have to share my thoughts, the importance of Diwali. So I will just keep in mind that I have to write on that and I will research on it. So there is no particular time for that. It depends upon the, mind psychology.
So, do you like reading hard copies of books, or you prefer reading e-books and audio books? What is your preference while you're reading a book?
My preference is, of course, the offline media, the books, the hard copy of the books, because they are, of course, easy to handle, and it gives a good feeling instead of scrolling the electronic media.
Plus, it's also
Yeah.
like soothing to the eyes. Because
Yeah.
we are destroying
Also.
our eyes on our laptops and stuff. But
Yes.
definitely, people say that the young generation is more towards ebooks and audiobooks. But all the people I have interviewed, they have always chosen like hard copies of book
Yes.
over ebook and audiobook. So I don't know where people get that concept that young generation don't like reading hard copies of the book. Actually, we love it.
Yeah.
So, since you mentioned that writing essay needs to be simple, in simple words, people sometimes say that if you use heavy words or you use heavy vocabulary, then your writing is better or your essay is better. Do you agree with this?
Uh, to some extent, I agree with this because it depends upon to which sort of audience you are writing. Like if you are writing for the, you know, uh, uh, different types of audience, so who understand the simple English, so there you can't use the high vocab because it will definitely has no meaning. But if you are competing with some international level, so there you have to have the knowledge of some good vocab, which will
I
definitely prove
absolutely
good.
agree.
Yes, sir.
I absolutely agree. Like if you're writing for children and you are using some words that they don't even understand,
Understand.
what's the use of writing?
Yes.
And if you are competing on the like international essay competitions or a platform where people can actually understand what you are writing, then definitely you can use heavy words and good vocabulary.
Yes.
What is your preferred mode of reading? When you talk about ebooks and audiobooks, have you ever tried ebooks and audiobooks?
Yes, I have tried during my college days when you have to read at that time when the offline books are not available. Then definitely you use online media.
Right. Plus, college does not prescribe a particular book, and when we need to find notes and stuff, then we use PDF format. Right.
Yes,
So
sir.
definitely we have all these things in our mind. We have tried ebooks, we have tried the hard copies, and then we prefer what we prefer.
Yes, sir.
So, do you have any message for the future contestants and participants of a competition that you want to share?
Uh, yeah, I would like to say the students that if you are going in a writing field, then definitely three things are required. That is, you have to think a lot on the particular topic. You have to research a lot, and then at the same time, you have to practice also. Because it's not the first time that I participated and I got in the merit. It's my fifth attempt. In the fifth attempt, I got. So you have to practice a lot. And beside those, to other students, I would like to say, of course, think big, dream big, and achieve big. And always welcome problems and challenges in your life. Don't get afraid with them. Do fight with them, and you will surely get
I
what you want.
agree. I totally agree with that because one thing that our generation does lack is patience. We are
Yes.
very impatient kind of people and we want the results instantly. It's like we have done something, we want it immediately. So patience is required, and especially in writing, it's very important if we are not patient, then we can't succeed. It's not that
Yes.
it's like it's not a magic wand that we just swish it and we get the result. So thank you
Yes.
so much for talking with us, and it was a lovely experience, especially coming from someone who has done engineering and preparing for defense services. That's an amazing experience, and especially your self-help book recommendations, I'll keep that in mind.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Thank you. It is an honor for me also. Thank you.